Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. That's my wife, Anne Marie Limer. And we're walking by TCU. These are the homes in the TCU area. Very nice middle-class homes, and have a little river right here. And we've been walking around here from one park to another park to another park. So, again, Texas Christian University from this spot right here is about, I estimate, 1.25 miles behind me. Not too far. In this neighborhood, they have, I think it's the elementary school is has a top scorer in the region. So people love to take and move here and bring their children. And again, because the elementary schools are quite nice. So there's a home right there, brick facade. Another home with brick facade. My wife and I are just walking. We have some benches in this little park. So again, we're southwest, about a mile and a half from TCU. So, TCU is a big football school, also famous for basketball and baseball. It's a big sports school. Academically, they're a little above average, but it's primarily, I consider, a sports school. People go down there, and it's of all the schools around here, like University of North Texas, University of Arlington, etc. in this region, Texas Wesleyan. This is the least diverse, and some people like it that way. So we're walking, my wife and I. Current temperature right now in Fort Worth on this Sunday is about 84 degrees. Very pleasant. And with a nice cool breeze, you can't complain. So my wife and I like to walk around, keep in relatively good aerobic shape. And here's the river, stream, next to this little walkway. Somebody probably bought a smaller house, tore it down, is putting a newer house, bigger house. That's what a lot of people do all over the United States. I remember seeing shacks by Newport Beach up in the hills being torn down and people putting up mansions. It's a tear down, they say. So this one's being right here. It's being upgraded. They have a lot of bridges crossing the river. I wouldn't swim in that river. I wouldn't eat anything out of that river because it's essentially a suburban river, not a wild river, not a cool water river. It's basically seriously contaminated. So again, no, it's a no-go for me. What's interesting about this walking that we're doing, we're walking from one side of town that the average price of a home is close to $1 million. Then we're going to cross the park to this side, and the average price of a home over there is $150,000. So from $1 million to again, from $1 million to about $150,000 houses. So larger homes on this side. So for this walk, my wife and I are going to walk approximately 3 miles, not too long. And I'll end this video right now by looking at one of the homes here. I like this house right here. I like the stone veneer. Very nice. They're doing some work here. I don't know what they're doing up this hill here, but it's very nice. Again, we'll finish this video by looking at this beautiful home here with the double doors. Large, very large oak trees going up about, I estimate, a good 50 feet. Hope you enjoy this video, a short walk my wife and I are enjoying on this 84-degree day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have the time, leave your kind and friendly comments below and ring the bell for future notifications. And check out my photographs on my RBTA photo page, specifically photographs. Keep on going for a little bit. Photographs that I've taken while traveling, RVing, etc., etc. Thanks for checking out my video. Again, don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. For RVTA, RV and Travel Adventures, I'm near TCU, Fort Worth, Texas. It's a warm 84-degree day. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.